excuse the mask on my face. But I was in my bathroom cleansing my face, trying to get this skin together, okay, honey? And I just realized that I got a lot of facial cleansing products and body products and things that I'm not using, and both of my drawers where I keep them are very unorganized. So you don't really use products because you don't see them, and because you don't see them, you don't use them, so it's just sitting there. Now, especially since they're all piled up on top of each other, I don't know what's in here. I just know I got a bunch of facial stuff. Cause what closed? It was a Family Dollar that closed by my house, and everything was like 50% off, 60% off. So I stocked up. So I need to get this drawer together. And you probably like, Key, why is you coming out here with this mask on your face? Because I just said I'm in my bathroom and I'm trying to get this stuff together. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about, and then y'all gonna watch me get this thing together. So hold on. So this whole drawer is unorganized. Not so much worried about this drawer because it's pretty much organized. Only thing on top, all my jewelry is down here. The only thing that's on top is my blow dryer, which I use on the regular, and my flat irons. This needs to definitely be cleaned, okay? So yes, let's get this stuff in order, and you get to watch me see me do it. So let's get it. So first I'm going to take everything out of here. So that's what you're going to see me doing, taking everything out of here. Just kind of like doing inventory of stuff that I have, that I forgot I had, and things like that. And plus this mask got to stay on at least 20 minutes anyway, so yeah. So I am 85% finished. I am planning on getting a tray for this top drawer just to give me more organized, but this will do for right now. Now I'm about to clean off this area and make this look more organized and neat and decent, and then I'll be done for the night. And then I'll start under these cabinets and stuff tomorrow. I may let you see how I go about reorganizing the cabinets and stuff like that. But yeah, the drawers look a whole lot better than they did at first. Definitely want to go get a organizer for this top drawer, so I'm definitely going to look into that. But for the most part, it is how I need it to be. I put all my combs in here for right now until I, like I said, find an organizer to put in this drawer. I'm going to try to check out Dollar Tree because I know they have some, and see what I can come up with. But let's get started with this top area. Okay, so I wasn't going to wipe down my area, but I decided to wipe it down. It's not completely sanitized and clean, but this will do until I come back in here tomorrow. At least I know what direction I'm trying to go in as far as how I want it to look and how I want it clean. I'll deal with hubby side tomorrow. But yeah, for the most part, I got it how I want it. So I just gotta wipe my mirrors down, finish sanitizing my sink area, organizing this and this, which I'll probably do tomorrow, and try to go to Dollar Tree and look for some organizers for these cabinets. But for the most part, it looked 2 times better than it did a second. But yeah, I will finish the rest up tomorrow. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, just a little how I organize. Everybody organize and clean different. This is how I do. 9 times out of 10, when I'm sanitizing tomorrow, I'm probably gonna wipe all these products down just to get dust off of them and things like that. So I'm gonna leave this towel here, or probably put it here to dry, because I'm gonna use it tomorrow to finish cleaning this bathroom. No, this towel will not be reused again, just in case anybody wants to know. This is strictly a bathroom cleaning towel. Yeah, so I'll finish this tomorrow. I just wanted to kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to do. This mirror definitely needs to be cleaned off. I'm gonna get over here in this little corner, put another basket in here for the dirty clothes area and kind of finish up. But I'm finna get this mask out of my face, and I thank you guys for spending time with me and watching me kind of straighten up and kind of get this bathroom together. It's 85% together. So yeah, I'm finna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you were beautiful, remember, simply key will always tell you beautiful because you simply are. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.